I was sent this package by a master blender and cigar company owner. His name is Ishmail Olivon, owner of BAMF Cigars. I know about only 2 cigars that are inside this box, and one of them is supposed to be the most complex blend on the entire planet. Without further ado, let's get into this thing. This is gonna be crazy. There is a lot in this box. Okay, let's grab out the first part of this package. Freaking wow. This is called the Ambassador. Now, I don't know if this is made under the BAMF brand or if this is just made by Ishmael and it's another brand's cigar. Next, this is, oh my God, this is crazy. So this cigar is called the Inside Out, and literally everything is inside out. The blend is inside out. I wanna say that if you look at this band, it looks white because when you take off the band is actually inside out. The filler, binder, and wrapper are inside out. So Ishmael Olivon is like a mad scientist. This man uses some of the most exotic tobaccos in the world. I'm talking about Russian tobacco, Spanish tobacco, Transylvanian tobacco, and tobaccos from Brazil that you haven't ever heard of. And this one is called the Intercontinental. Let's just speed run through these. Okay, next is the BTC. I've heard about this. This stands for Better Than Cuban. This cigar is supposed to taste like and be better than any Cuban cigar. I know a secret about this cigar, but I'm not sure if I can say anything about it. But this is supposed to be phenomenal. Okay, I don't know what this is called or how to say the name of this, but it's made by BAMF. This is called the Shadow Warriors Project. Shadow Warriors Project. Oh, this is the Area 51. Oh my God. And this right here is one of his newest releases. This is called the Around the World. This cigar has 17 different countries in it. So 17 different tobaccos from 17 different countries. This is, I've heard multiple real cigar aficionados say that this is the most complex cigar in the world. And this is the one that I was the most excited for because I will be doing a review on this. The most complex cigar in the world? Come on now. No freaking brainer. I am pumped. And this is called the Irishman. So this actually has Irish tobacco in it. And this has an intricate, it looks like candela leaf on this. It's like partially barber pole, partially not. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, freaking, oh! Okay, this is, okay, let's go one at a time. This is called Some Gave All. Next is Honor Guard. Next is Pure African. And this actually is 100% African tobacco. A lot of people have had a Cameroon wrapper, but 100% wrapper, binder, and filler, all African tobaccos. This is gonna be amazing. This is the Mafioso. I don't know what this is called, but for those of you that do, there you go. This is the MK45. I don't know what this is called. Maybe it's one of the original blends, but here it is, another BAMF. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that many of you have heard of the Amazon basin. Well, Ishmael Olivon did this first. He's the first one to wrap tobacco around the cigar. I'm telling you, he is a mad scientist. And if he was able to say what blends he worked on, you would be so surprised because many of those blends are your favorite blends. But for NDA reasons, he can't disclose that he's worked on these blends. Oh, Here is the Russian. This uses Russian tobacco. Freaking amazing. I don't think I've ever had Russian tobacco. Okay. Oh my gosh. You've gone above and beyond. This is a brand that he blends for called Cigar Clowns. His factory produces a lot of the blends for this company, and this is the Goldie Grace. Awesome. Here we go. This is like way more than what I expected. Wow. These are called hollow points. Now, I'm gonna show you why these are called hollow points. It looks like a regular cigar, right? Well, if you look at the foot, it's completely empty. These cigars were made for you to put broccoli inside of it, if you know what I mean by broccoli. But Ishmail, who doesn't smoke broccoli, said that you can put pipe tobacco in it. So I will be putting pipe tobacco in this and seeing how this tastes. Amazing. He gave me 2 of them. And these are called Toscanos. Look at these little, like, cigarillo style. Amazing. Amazing. And then he gave me, this is crazy. What on earth? This is a lighter, like a bullet. BAMF stands for Bad A Mother, and his brand is all centered around military because he was in the military. So this, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of scary, but oh, there we go. Okay, it's a lighter. I need to put fuel in it, but it's a single flame torch. Look at that. Super cool lighter. Okay, nice. This looks like a patch of BAMF. This is their logo. I got stickers. Let's go. I'm gonna have to put this somewhere. This is the hollow point dispenser. I'm guessing this is what you use to put the broccoli inside of the hollow point. It's wild. And then he gave me a gold coin for the cigar called Mafioso. Amazing. And then, oh, wow. This is the Mende Erdia 50th anniversary. It comes in its own box. I'm not gonna open this here. I'm gonna open this later because I have a lot of cigars to go through. And then here's another layer. This is crazy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This says, to my friend Clinton, Momento Cigars, much love, Ish. And he signed it. This will be getting placed on my wall of fame-ish. Really, it's just a display. There's probably only one cigar, two cigars on here that are actually special to me. But this is going on this bookshelf quickly. And this is called the K9. Oh, wow. Look at this. All of these have dogs on them. All of these different sizes. Ish, I thank you so much, man. I thank you so much. I look forward to reviewing some of these because the amount that you sent me will be my entire channel just dedicated to BAMF. But I can't wait to do a review on specifically around the world. And who knows what else is going to be reviewed. Maybe I'll review all of them. You are so kind. I thank you for even considering sending these to me. You went above and beyond. Like, this is way more than any cigar maker's done for me or anybody in cigars, period, has done for me. It means a lot, and this I will absolutely cherish. I thank you for this autographed box. This means a lot to me. It's so kind of you. I have a small YouTube channel and I am a novice compared to the knowledge and understanding of cigars that you have. And for you to feel inspired to even consider sending this to me and doing such a kind thing, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. If you know of one of these cigars, drop in the comments which ones do you think I need to review? Let me know which ones you think that I need to review first. And I'll make sure that I do thorough review of these cigars, whichever ones that you pick. Thank you for watching. Bye.